Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I want to talk to you about owning tools versus renting tools. It's been an ongoing debate in this industry for a long time. There are rental options out there, or maybe one rental option out there. It could be fairly expensive. There's one thing, you can turn the tools in and get fresh tools. Supposedly, they're really remanufactured tools. But here at Level 5, we're not doing the rental option. What we have is a lease to own option. You own the tools. The tools are yours. You can get the tools shipped to you. Once you qualify, just like you have to qualify for a lease or a rent, you're going to have to qualify for the lease. But once you qualify, you're going to have those tools with you. The beauty of this is, if you're spending, there's people spending anywhere from $300 to $700 a month now on rental. You're going to spend less than that, and you're going to own the tools over a period of time. So you're not only going to save yourself a lot of money on a month-to-month basis, but you're also going to own your own tools. Take care of them. You have a 7-year warranty. So figure that out. If you've got tools that will last you 7 years, versus what are you spending on a monthly basis rent? Even if you're spending $500 a month, that's $6,000 a year. That's a lot of money over the course of 7 years. I mean, you're talking about $42,000 potentially over the course of 7 years. So that's a lot of money to spend on rental when you could be owning your tools and having them available to you 24/7 and not having to run on rent tools. So it's something to consider. We have a great lease option. You can find out more about it by going to our website, level5tools.com. You can also call 800-227-7713. That's 800-227-7713. And somebody will pick up the phone and take you through the application process. It's really something you ought to check out, especially if you're renting taping tools. Save yourself a ton of money, get fantastic tools with the best warranty and service on earth. You'll be thrilled you did. Again, check us out at level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone. If you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more information about Level 5 Tools. If you've got questions or more details sought, go to our Facebook page, Level 5 Tools, Instagram, and you can always go to level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.